Transfer photos, video, contacts, and more from your iPhone to your new Galaxy phone with Samsung Smart Switch. Now, let's get that content transferred. Search your apps for Smart Switch and tap the icon. If this is your first time using Smart Switch, you will need to accept the terms of service. Tap Continue. Smart Switch needs these permissions to transfer your data. Tap Allow. Then tap Receive Data. Tap iPhone/iPad. And then tap Get Data from iCloud instead at the bottom of the screen. Enter your Apple ID and password. And then tap Done. Tap Allow on your trusted Apple device when Apple ID Sign-in Requested appears. If you no longer have access to your old iPhone, select Didn't Get a Verification Code and follow the prompts to have the code texted to your trusted phone number. Enter the verification code and then tap Connect. Select the data you want to transfer and tap Transfer. Tap Go to the home screen. Your photos, videos, messages, contacts, and more all have a brand new home.